This upholstery style seat cover is manufactured for durability and looks, and as a result is one of the best-selling seat covers on the market for Toyota pickup front bench seat. It is made specifically to protect your original factory seat covers from excessive wear caused by children, dogs, pets, and from other heavy-duty uses. All seams are double-stitched for extra durability. Toyota bench seat covers for 1985 to 1995 pickup, Hilux. These cover your original seat's RealSeatCovers Toyota pickup truck bench seat covers kit. This item is made with a heavy flocked cloth double-stitched and thick padded. These work only for front pickup bench seats. If you have a split bench, buckets, or anything other seat style than the straight bench seat, these will not fit correctly.